Most people solve this question like 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Multiply 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. Now 2 multiplied 1 is equal to 2. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. So now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. PEMDAS. First priority is parentheses. Second priority is exponents. Third priority is multiplication, division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. In this question, one addition, one multiplication, one division. Here multiplication, division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this multiplication is equal to 1 plus also this multiplication, 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1 divided by 1. Now here we have one addition and one division. So first we have to solve division, then we have to solve addition. So 1 plus 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the correct answer is 2. Okay.